In this video, I'll show you how to close your Revolut business account step by step using the mobile app. So please note that once you close the account, the action is permanent. So make sure you've withdrawn all funds and downloaded any important data before proceeding. So since Revolut is restricted in terms of recording screen, some part in here may be black on your screen. So listen carefully as I explain each step so you can follow along. So first, log into your Revolut business account using your mobile phone. And then from the home screen, tap your profile icon or business name in there and then in the top left corner. So now scroll down and tap on settings, then look for the account or close account option. So if you don't see it right away, you can tap help and search for close account in the support section. So now from this point, Revolut restricts screen recording for privacy and security reasons. So the screen will appear black in here. So but I'll guide you through what to expect. So after that, you'll be asked to confirm the closure by reviewing the following: that your balance is zero, that you've downloaded any invoices or statement, that you understand that this is permanent. So tap confirm to proceed, just so you might be also asked to enter your account password to verify via SMS for security. So once submitted, Revolut will process your request and send you a confirmation email once your business account is officially closed. So the process usually completes within a few business days. And that's how you close your Revolut business account safely and properly. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.